Now this is my lubrication system, rubric. As you can see, we're looking at the oil filter, and that's because I can't get to the oil temperature sensor because it's above the oil filter, behind there, just above this AC compressor. Now if it had an oil cooler, it would be attached to the oil filter housing with hoses going to the front. This car doesn't have it, so we're gonna go back up and look for the PCV. Okay, so the PCV valve, this is the hose coming from the PCV valve. The PCV valve is actually down there. Can't see it, can't get to it unless we take off the plenum, or else it wouldn't be a Ford. Yeah, so anyways, it's a PCV. Now, the reason that we have and we need the oil relief valve in every car is because this is a positive displacement pump, meaning the more fluid coming in, the more fluid coming out, and the more pressure is coming out at, the faster it spins. So the more pressure we get, the more oil is getting flung around in the engine. If there's too much oil getting flung around, especially on the cylinder walls, the oil rings are not going to be able to do their job properly. If they can't do their job properly, we're going to start burning oil. You start seeing blue smoke coming out of the back of the car, which for a Ford isn't too much of a difficult thing to see anyways. It's not uncommon to see it anyways. So that's why we need the valve. Now, the way it works is once the pressure builds to a certain poundage, to a certain point, the oil pressure will actually squeeze against the valve, allowing oil, instead of getting pumped into the oil galleries, you'll get pushed into this one gallery where the valve is, push up against the valve, then come back down to the sump or to the bottom of the pump to be recirculated again. And this will maintain our oil pressure to the point that is not over lubricating things, but just perfectly lubricating things. And that's it. That's the video.